Hi, life is beautiful, but not without polygons. Have you come across this shape before? Look at this kite. We can draw them in a sketchbook. All these objects are polygons. In this video, you will learn about polygons. A polygon is a plane figure described by closed straight lines. We can classify polygons based on the number of sides they have. For example, triangle has 3 sides, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, a pentagon has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides, a heptagon has 7 sides, an octagon has 8 sides, a nonagon has 9 sides, and yes, a decagon has 10 sides. Now take a look at these polygons again. A polygon has to have straight sides and has to be a closed shape. The vertices and the sides can't have a break. A polygon has several parts: the lines or segments that form the polygon. The vertices are the points where the sides meet. The angles are the space formed by 2 adjacent sides. The diagonals are the line drawn from one vertex to another. We can also classify polygons as regular and irregular polygons. A regular polygon has all its sides and angles equal. An irregular polygon does not have all its angles and all its sides equal. Here you can see some examples of regular and irregular polygons. Here are some structures. Can you see polygons in them? Alright, let's talk about interior and exterior angles of the polygon, as well as how to find the sum of interior angles. Alright, let's start out by drawing out a polygon. Why not start with something simple like a triangle? Good. So, the angles inside of a polygon are known as interior angles. So what would the exterior angles be? Let me just go right ahead by telling you that it is not these angles here. Instead, if we extend the lines of the polygon in a certain direction, then it is these angles here that are the exterior angles. So you might be wondering, why did we extend these lines? Why not extend the lines going the other direction? Yeah, we can also do that. So if we choose a direction and extend each line, then we notice that its exterior angle plus its interior angle will be 180 degrees in total. Now here is something interesting. In order to find the sum of all the interior angles in a polygon, all we have to do is multiply n minus 2 by 180, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. For example, a triangle has three sides, and thus the sum of the interior angles in a triangle will be 180 times 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 times 180 is 180 degrees. So, the sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Alright, what if we take an octagon as an example? Since it has 8 sides, we plug in 8 into the formula. 8 minus 2 will be 6, and 6 times 180 will give us 1080 degrees. Hence, the sum of interior angles of an octagon is 1080 degrees. Great! So just remember that formula. The sum of interior angles of a polygon is 180 times n minus 2. Now, what about the sum of exterior angles of a polygon? Well, regardless of how many sides there are in a polygon, the sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degrees. This makes solving questions really easy. But let's think about why. Let's think about this octagon and start off with one of its sides. The exterior angle can be seen as the amount of turn to reach the next side. And again, to reach the next side, there is a turn forming another exterior angle. Now, if we keep doing this, then we know that we will get back to where we started from. So if we take a step back and think about this for a moment, all of these turns add up to one full rotation. And the full rotation is the same as a full cycle, which is 360 degrees. So it makes sense then that the sum of exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. And even if we have less sides to the polygon, for example 3 sides like a triangle, then there will just be less turns. But it does not change the sum of exterior angle. It is still 360 degrees. Now let's take a look at this example. Imagine that you have a triangle ABC such that angle B is 35 degrees and the angle at C is 45 degrees. What will the exterior angle X be? Well, we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Since you know the values of two angles in the triangle, to get the last angle in the triangle, minus 35 degrees and 45 degrees from 180 degrees, which is 100 degrees. So to get the exterior angle, we know that angle X and 100 degrees are adjacent angles, and adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 80 degrees. Now let's take one more example before we end this lesson. Here is it. In the triangle ABC, the sum of the external angles of angle B, which is angle ABC, and angle C are 210 degrees. What is the value of angle A? Here is how you can solve the question. First, draw a sketch of the diagram of this question to help you a little bit. Remember that all exterior angles of a regular polygon adds up to 360 degrees. In light of this, You are given the sum of two exterior angles, which is 210 degrees. Therefore, the last exterior angle can be gotten by subtracting 210 from 360 degree, which is 150 degree. From here, recall that the sum of exterior and interior angle of a polygon is 180 degrees. Hence, 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degrees, which is the value of angle A. This is the answer of this question. Now you have come to the end of this lesson. Bye.